Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're in Jefferson County, Tennessee, heading north on U.S. Highway 11E. US 11 splits into two separate highways between Knoxville and Bristol, and this is the path we chose for this series. We've been on the Lee Highway since Chattanooga, but at the split, Lee Highway follows US 11W, while US 11E becomes the Asheville Highway for its first 10 miles, and then becomes the Andrew Johnson Highway, which we're on now. We have a concurrency here with State Route 34 East. Between 1784 and 1789, the northeast corner of what is now Tennessee aimed to become the state of Franklin. During this time, the area we're in was part of Caswell County. On June 11, 1792, Jefferson County was officially established by William Blount, who served as the governor of the Southwest Territory. In 1793, Dandridge was chosen as the county seat. Tennessee joined the United States as a state in 1796. In 1914, valuable zinc ore deposits were uncovered by a geologist named Mark Newman, working for the American Zinc Company. In the 1930s, Dr. Charles R. L. Oder from Universal Zinc Company, along with geologists Jack Crawford and Howard Miller, discovered more zinc deposits. By 1960, four major companies were actively mining zinc in Jefferson County. Between 1950 and 1995, Jefferson County held the distinction of being the largest producer of zinc ore in the United States, although declining deposits have led to a reduction in the number of mining companies operating in the county today, which now stands at 2. According to the 2020 census, Jefferson County had a population of 54,683. We enter Newmarket, which was incorporated as a town in 1977, citing concerns of annexation by nearby Jefferson City. In 1904, Newmarket became well known for a tragic incident when two Southern Railway passenger trains collided head-on, leading to the loss of 56 lives and causing injuries to 106 individuals. Here we enter Jefferson City, and US 11E becomes Broadway Boulevard here. We immediately pick up a concurrency with State Route 92 here. In 1788, Adam and Elizabeth Peck, arriving from Virginia and traveling southwest along the Holston River, settled on the banks of Mossy Creek. They established a fort, a place of worship, and a grist mill in the area. The city got its original name, Mossy Creek, from the lush green moss growing around a nearby creek, as described by the early settlers. By 1797, Mossy Creek had grown to encompass approximately 75 to 100 families within a 4-mile radius. During the early days of the American Civil War in September 1861, Union Army General Ambrose Burnside liberated Mossy Creek from Confederate control, but faced an unsuccessful siege by Confederate General James Longstreet. Numerous skirmishes occurred in and around Mossy Creek, including the notable Battle of Mossy Creek on December 19, 1863. In the late 19th century, two communities, Frame Addition and Carsonville, sprang up around Mossy Creek. In 1901, Mossy Creek merged with those communities and officially incorporated as Jefferson City. In 1940, the Tennessee Valley Authority initiated the acquisition of property in Jefferson City to build Cherokee Dam and create Cherokee Lake by impounding the Holston River. Despite some reluctance among residents, the promise of flood control and electricity from the TVA led to the relocation of farms and homes. The construction of Cherokee Dam brought new residents to the city and transformed Jefferson City into a popular recreational center for both locals and tourists. In the later part of the 20th century, Jefferson City experienced industrialization, particularly in the zinc mining industry. Valuable zinc ore deposits were discovered around the city earlier in the century. Since 2010, efforts to redevelop and revitalize the downtown district of Jefferson City have been in progress. The Mossy Creek Foundation, established as a 501c3 organization in 2012, has played a significant role in advancing these efforts. They've secured funding for a public park featuring a mock train depot pavilion on the original site of the Mossy Creek Station and provided facade grants to enhance existing downtown structures. We conclude our video here at Tennessee Mile 24. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 or more a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as occasional members-only videos. Click the link in the description to join. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.